Good morning guys, Peter, not your average guy on the Never Mind Your Own YouTube channel. I'm in Georgia. I'm going to a manganese factory. It used to be a very big one. It's old and rusty now, and I agreed with a couple to drive their car around there, fly the Skydio. I want to use the Skydio, that's my plan. I don't know how it's going to be, but I want to use the Skydio because it's very difficult to fly the Phantom 4 through an obstacle course, which it probably is, and the Skydio should be able to do that better. Also, I'm going to use the Gopro Fusion on their car. After that, we're going to see there are some more locations worthy of filming, but we will just have to see how the circumstances are and what we can do. Alright. Hi guys, I am driving around this manganese factory, and it's an incredible place, man. This is epic, and it's operational, and it's like people are working here, but everything is old and rusty and dirty. And look at that, all this stuff, man. Look, big towers, chimneys, all scrap metal over here. Oh my word, this is beautiful to film, and the question is, how am I going to do it? But I've been driving around now just to see if the Skydio would be able to handle this. And this, man, look at this. Wow, incredible. You can get lost here. Oh, look at this place, man. I think the Skydio can perfectly do this. There's high wires, but not so low that it will be a problem. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up here. I will meet the car over here, and we will go from here. And first I will try to fly the Phantom until they come and I can fly the Skydio. Take off. What I can get of this area from out of the air, like this, I need a little bit to be able to see my screen. Ja, jullie daar. Heel goed. Oké. Ik zet die camera even hier erbij op.
Hartstikke leuk. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. Feel good. No one can stop me now. No one can stop me now. Oh yeah.
Komt allemaal op camera, hè?
No one can stop me now.
Nou ga ik dus de drone achter jullie aansturen.
Dat is leuk. Hey, dit filmpje geef je me, hè?
Ja. Zeker. Je moet niet al te snel door de bochten gaan. De bochten iets...
Ja, ik snap het. Hij moet me kunnen volgen.
Hij moet je kunnen volgen. Ik rijd er achteraan, dus als hij jullie verliest, dan
Moet ik de draad weer oppikken als je dit...
Waar heb je me... Hij hangt echt achter me.
Ja, hij hangt gewoon echt achter je. Okay. Alsof je in een game zit en een auto bestuurt. Zo gaat het eruit zien.
Dus hij is de baas?
Nee, ja,
zo ziet het er dadelijk uit.
Ja, klopt, ja.
Dus dat het door.
So it was, I had, a truck was coming and I had to let it fly higher. I had to let it fly higher because otherwise it might have hit the truck. This is my car. Oh wait. It's still in car follow. Just yeah, it's got him again. No. Now it's following me. Alright, it's following me. Maybe I can catch up with the cars. Let's see. Stop following me and follow them. Yes. No. Te snel, even wachten. Follow me. Well, we can also do follow me. I want him to fly lower. Stop and then follow. Yes. Now it's got them. All right. No. Uh-oh. You know, it can follow me. Stop, follow, and then follow them. Do I have them now? Yeah, I have them. All right. Okay. I got them. Wow. I think, well, this is a straight piece, so that should be fine. now we should go right here. We can see the other cars as well, that's nice. I'm not recording the screen right now, that's a problem for you guys. Running around. Oh, look, man. I think this is a stunning view. Now we lost them. Maybe I can have it follow me. I'll have it follow me and then stop and then follow them. Yes, it's going well. Alright. So beautiful this. Whenever do you get a chance to film something like this? What? Is it nice, guys? Oh, I mean, the location, right? The cars, following it with a drone and a 360 camera. Guys, this is epic. This is once in a lifetime that you can do this. If you like this video, like it. Comment on it, share it, and subscribe because there's gonna be more. Oh, my battery low. Landing. Okay, I'm gonna stop it here. Fantastic.
Batterij verwisselen!
Alright, we're up and running again. This location, man. Wow. Look at all the stuff and the rusty. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, this is going to be a challenge? No, not at all. You can just handle it perfectly well. You see that? only with the Skydio. Oh, this is a challenge, but it can manage very well actually, because the truck was not driving. This is a little bit tricky. Because the truck is not driving too fast, can handle it. Otherwise I would have stopped it immediately if I would see that there was a problem. Just want to move on. Still there. Oh my. Alright, we're going to stop here. Dit is geniaal, joh.
Leuk, hè?
Het is echt zo geweldig leuk.
Ja?
Ja, joh. In het begin had hij even wat moeite.
Maar dan was je batterij misschien half leeg, of niet?
Nee, maar...
Maar je moet hem ook even door hebben.
ja, nee, dat klopt.
Christian, yes.
Yes.
Osmo, foto.
Foto.
Ah.
Ja,
dat is voor jullie. Come, I will make a picture.
Ook in de middel? Yes, in de middel.
Oké.
One more. Nou, zijn we met de priester.
Thank you. Madeluba.
Oh
ja.
Hallo. Nou, we gaan weer rijden.
Ja, even een cameraatje eraf halen. Ja, ik snap jou wel. Jij wilde met mijn camera vandoor, maar...